This short video will show you how to use the reference distribution app. This app was created by Alan Rossman and Chance and was initially set up for flipping coins. But we can use it for the parole discrimination example. We need to specify the probability here in this first box. Again, we are modeling the probability of obtaining a parole, and that proportion was 0.593. So we're going to want to change the probability value to that. The sample size, or N, just denotes the number of trials. So we have 59 trials in our example. The number of samples is going to be the number of simulated outcomes you want to obtain. So I'll go ahead and put 1,000 in that box. You're going to want to deselect animate, and also over here in the right margin, hide the spinners to help declutter the screen. Go ahead and click Draw Samples, and what we get is 1,000 repeated outcomes under that simulation model that we've specified. We can easily get additional simulated outcomes by just clicking Draw Samples. I'll go ahead and draw or use 10,000 samples. Now let's determine the cutoff value. The cutoff value simply goes in this as extreme as box. So let's just guess at a cutoff value here at 28 and ask the app to count. What the app is going to do is count the number of dots to the right of 28. In our example, we want to actually use the dots to the left of 28 because we're interested in whether or not 24 was too few individuals being paroled. So I'm going to want to switch the inequality over here to less than or equal to. And when I do that, I can see that out of these 10,000 simulations, 4.4% of them sit at 28 or below. If I move my cutoff value up to 29, I'm going to have 7.3% of the dots that are at 29 or below. Now my target for this value is 5%. So 29 is a little bit too high. If I go back to 28, again, that was the 4.4%, and that looks like it meets that 5% threshold. So for this example, we will use 28 as our cutoff value.